Let's use the build a word strategy working with open syllables. The word is cry. Don't make me cry. What's the word? Cry. Let's see how many phonemes are in the word cry. K, R, I. K, R, I. There are 3 phonemes, so we have 3 lines. K, R, I. Which grapheme represents that first phoneme, that K? The C. The second phoneme is R. Which grapheme? An R. And the last phoneme here in the word cry is I. But this is a one-syllable word. And at the end of a one-syllable word, that long I sound is usually represented by the letter Y. Let's spell that. Cry. C-R-Y. Cry.